Let's talk about how you can improve your Squarespace SEO score with AI and how you can do that right here directly in your Squarespace website. Now, if you have seen a couple videos of mine, there's been a few times I know I've said, look, there's a couple images on my website that don't have alt tags, like I'll figure that out another day. Well, maybe Squarespace heard me, maybe the AI heard me, I don't know, but there's now a way to do that all in one place, in one go, and it's super simple. It pulls everything for you. Let me show you how to do it. It's so easy. There's two ways that you can get there, depending on when you're watching this. If they've changed the sidebar again, who knows. Today, under website and then SEO, you can get there, or under settings and then marketing and then SEO appearance, you get to the exact same place. So there's this new SEO completion score here that you can see, and this is just like my dummy site that I have going. So I've done nothing to the SEO. It's not meant to have SEO. But if I click this improve with AI button over here, say, okay, cool. It's going to scan my site and pull up the things that need help. The first is going to review the metadata. It's going to recommend a description here for my website. If you like that, great. If not, you can click edit, type in your own, and then down here we're going to save and continue. And now here's where I was telling you all the alt images. It's going to pull all of your images that don't have alt text, and it's going to generate suggested alt text for you. And again, you can come in here and edit things if you'd like, and then you can mass save them all at one time. These are all just screenshots of a blank image, so it's nothing special to see or save here. But if you, like me, have really old images on your site that need alt text and you don't want to go find them or pull them and do it all at one, spend a lot of time doing that, use this tool and it will pull everything that needs attention into this one place, and you can make edits and save all at one time. But that's how easy it is to find and use this new SEO completion score AI tool right within your website. So go make that happen. And then if you want to keep working on your SEO, I have another video to show you how I improved my SEO score in just 15 minutes using another tool, a third-party tool. So if you want to keep working on your SEO, come find me over there. I will link it for you right here to watch next.